How to log into American Express credit card account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your browser in your PC. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for American Express credit card. And after searching for that, you'll be able to see the search results in a few seconds. So you have to go for American Express credit card rewards and banking in the first paragraph. After going through it, you'll be taken to the official web page of American Express. So in the right hand side, you'll be able to see the login option. So you have to simply go for it. After that, you'll be able to see the text boxes over here. So in the first text box, you have to enter your user ID, and similarly in the second text box, you have to enter your password. And if you have the card and banking, then you can also mention over here in the third text box. And if you want your user ID and password to be remembered, then you can simply click over here in the small box. And by doing that, whenever you log in from the next time, then you don't have to enter your user ID and password. And after that, you have to go for login option. If you forgot your user ID or password, then you can click over here and ask for help. If you want to create a new online account, then you can also go for here. And similarly, if you want to confirm your card, then you can go over here. And if you want to visit the security center, then you can click over here and see the security center. And by doing that, you have to go for login option over here and you'll be logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log into American Express credit card account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.